Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is the channel. So for all of you that know me, yes, I did have my hair done. It is a little darker, but it has a tendency to lighten up over the weeks. So what do you think? Anyway, I am here to unbox my balanced home box. This is a monthly subscription. I think it's monthly, could be quarterly, but I think it's monthly, but all the information will be listed below. I did try this box because I think I had a 40% discount code, so it only cost me like $35. Well, I forgot to cancel it, as I do with a lot of my boxes. So I received another one, and I believe I paid full price, which is like $54, $55, which still isn't bad. It included shipping. And as we all know, shipping is just going off the charts. I mean, it's like $15, $20 to ship even a small box. So if a box includes shipping, what are you gonna do? So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like this video enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up if you really, really, really like it. I don't have one of those cool pens yet. I think it was Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. They started that where they were sending people out those pens with like the thumbs up on them, but I wasn't fortunate to get one of those. So I'm gonna have to go out and buy one of those pens. And if you're returning users, thank you, thank you, thank you. I just appreciate and just love you guys so much for being loyal to my channel. So let's get into the box. And again, I believe this is monthly. I'm still confused, but it'll all be listed below. And it comes with a brochure of everything that's in it. And again, you can get like the home lifestyle box, which is what I got. They have like a food one. And I think they have, let's see, they have a food one, the home one, and I think they ship to Canada and the US. And the first thing I am taking out of the box is this beautiful basket. And is this something that could go on the table, which is something I need. We have the salt and peppers on the table, and then when we're done eating, I find the salt shaker on one end, the pepper shaker on the other end, the napkins over here. So this would be perfect. And now with us having some company over for Thanksgiving, this would be a perfect decor for my table. And it's pretty solid. And it's got these like wood handles. So I am so glad that I opened this box when I did, because my boxes can sit around for a while before I open them. So I'm really glad that I opened it before Thanksgiving and not after. So let's see if there's a retail price. And they also show some different ways that you can use it. You can use it in your bedroom. There's some perfume and jewelry. And let's see if they have a retail price. I don't see the retail price. They're calling it the Rantan tray, and I don't see a retail price for this, but I do like it. And then we have introducing the Balanced Discovery Box for only $14.99, and this kind of looks like a healthy box. So again, if you check out their website, I will leave the link below. They have all sorts of different boxes. And the next item in the box is a box. So let's see if I can get into this box without terrorizing. I just don't know how to open boxes. So y'all getting ready for Thanksgiving. I am gonna go to the grocery store tomorrow. I'm not going to go Wednesday, and I hear a lot of stores are going to be closed actually on Thanksgiving. So I have most of the things I need, but a few of the fresh items I am going to wait on. So whatever this is, it has a spoon. And it's got this, and the spoon must go in here. it's empty, so I don't know what goes in here. Oh, and it's got a magnetic. Wow. Oh, it goes this way. So I don't know what goes in here. I'm sure they're gonna have tons of suggestions. I'm just gonna play with it all day. But yeah, how cool is that? And it's wood, and it could go on my little tray. So let's read more about what this cool little thing is. And let's see. This is the bamboo salt bowl. The 100% bamboo salt bowl is a beautiful touch to add to your kitchen. Its magnetic latch provides a light seal, perfect for flaky sea salt. Oh, so there's a picture, and they have the sea salt right in there. And I don't know, I might use it as a sugar bowl, because my sugar bowl gets tipped over more times, and you know how hard it is to clean up sugar. So I'm thinking this would make a great sugar bowl. And it's got tips on here. And it says it doesn't sweat. It says to the quality of your salt due to sweating, while bamboo containers allow the salt to breathe, keeping it fresh. So I don't know if I can use it as a sugar bowl, but this is really, I'm just gonna play with it all day. So yeah, what do you think of that? And I know a lot of people use sea salt in their cooking. So that's the second item. And again, I don't see any retail prices. Before I post the video, I'll go and see if I can find retail prices. And then we have another 10% off. And then the next thing, okay, no clue. I'm thinking decorations, or maybe for Robyn, it's just a toy. So let's look this up. It's just 2 circles. And I'm thinking maybe it's just a decoration and I could put it in my tray. Let's see. Wood chain link. This hand-carved wooden chain link is perfect to add to your shelf, mantle, or coffee table. Its minimalistic design is solid pine wood, is modern, and adds a touch of texture anywhere in your home. So they have it next to a plant. So something different. It kind of, to me, looks a little unfinished, but I guess if you have that kind of decor. And there's more. And we have another box. So as I said, I paid the full price for this, and it's really not a bad box for the price. And then we have another home decor piece. It's a gold leaf, a trinket tray. I'm always taking my rings off and leaving them everywhere. I leave them by the sink. I leave them when I'm sitting on the couch. I'll just take them off and leave them there. So this is actually very nice, and it's solid. And again, it will make perfect room here on this tray. So that's not bad. So let's read about our little leaf. It's a jewelry dish. The leaf-shaped trinket dish is made of durable ceramic with a golden gate finish. You can put rings, earrings, necklaces, or bracelets. And they have tips for each item in here, which is nice. And because it came in these like boxes, if you wanted to gift these pieces, it would make a great gift. So I'm actually liking this box. And then we have Australian sandalwood natural incense. Now, I'm not really a big incense burner. Like, I can smell things like from far away. So it like makes it hard to breathe for me. But let's see what it looks like. So I might have to like gift this to somebody that really likes incense. Oh. This is what it looks like. So it comes in a cool packaging. Looks like a long mascara. And I can take one out of here. Oh. We used to, when we were kids, we used to go, there was an empty field, and we used to go, and they used to have like those punk things, and we used to light them and wave them around, and you could really smell those. Oop. I don't really smell anything, but that's what it looks like. That's pretty cool. Comes in this case here. Okay, now I'm gonna sneeze because I put it so close to my nose. But this is the incense, and I could put it on my tray. And let's see what it says about the incense. Australian Sandalwood Natural Incense. The Australian Sandalwood Natural Incense is a set of calming and relaxing incense with a single wooden pine holder that can make your daytime and nighttime rituals. Tip in here as well. So I don't know if they included a holder, but I did put that so close to my nose. Let's see, I don't see a holder for it. But they do, no, they don't show a holder, but I guess you can buy the holders for incense everywhere. And then we have one more thing in the box. And this really is pretty cool. So what do you think of my box so far? It's actually a very natural type of home box, so it can almost fit in anybody's style. And this is a basket, and this is pretty cool. It's all wrapped up, so let me unwrap it. And let me know what your favorite dish is to cook for Thanksgiving, or if you're not cooking, what you're bringing, what you like. I am gonna try a new, it's like a sweet corn crock pot dish in the microwave. I found it on Facebook. I am so hooked to those Facebook recipes. I've tried a bunch of them, and that is what I am gonna try. Okay, so this is a basket. I'm just having issue. I'm gonna have to climb in it to open it. What a nice like magazine, or you can even put, I don't know how many unboxings that I have watched of all sorts of different boxes that have had throws in them. I think every box has had a throw in it, and you can't get too many of them. You can put them on your bed, you can put them in your guest room, you can put them on the couch. But look at the size of this. This is huge. So you can definitely put a throw or even two throws in this and leave this by your couch or bed. And it's got these handles. They unsnap, I don't know why. These handles in here. I mean, how pretty is this basket? That is nice. I mean, this box, everything was just natural. Things flying like snow from opening this thing. So let's read up on the basket. So this is a cotton basket, and I can tell because pieces of cotton flying all over the place. This large 100% cotton woven basket is thick and sturdy and is a beautiful storage solution for just about anything. This basket will look great in any space, complete with vegan leather removable handles. I think the handles must come off if you want to wash it. So let's recap. This is a great box. We have this beautiful basket. We have my favorite toy here. You can put salt. They recommend salt. I'm gonna try sugar. I don't know if you can put sugar in the wooden box. We have the incense. We have this decor piece. We have this jewelry dish. And my favorite item is this tray that's gonna go right on my kitchen table for Thanksgiving. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So what did you think of this box? Is this something that you would get? Did you like it? So let me know. I will leave a link below. And I said, if you go to their website, they might even have a coupon for your first time getting this box. So don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. And any giveaways I have will be listed below. And I'll see you soon.